Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to the class on Direct and Indirect Speech. In the previous class, we had gone through the first two rules regarding the direct and indirect speech. I hope we are clear with the first two rules of direct and indirect speech. In today's class, we will go through rule number 3. According to rule number 3, when the reporting verb is in past tense of the reported speech is changed. Once again, if the reporting verb is in past tense of the reported speech is changed. Now what happens is that we'll have to go through all the three tenses. We have already told you the three tenses. They are present tense, past tense and the future tense. So we will begin with the present tense. What changes will happen in the present tense when you are converting the sentence from direct into indirect speech? So today I will give this table. So kindly go through this particular table. The coming classes I will explain to you with examples. In today's class I will just give the table so that you can just write down and try to understand. So take the present tense. The simple present tense will be changed into simple past tense. Present continuous tense will be changed into past continuous tense. Present perfect tense will be changed into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. Which means when a sentence is in present tense, it is simply changed into past tense. If it is simple present, just convert into simple past. If it is in present continuous tense, just change into past continuous tense. If it is in present perfect, convert into past perfect. If it is in present perfect continuous tense, just convert into past perfect continuous tense. This is with regard to the present tense. So just write down this particular table in your language copy, and in the coming classes I will make it more clear with the examples. Now we will move on to the next one, that is past tense. What happens in the past tense? What things you must keep in mind when you are converting from direct into indirect speech? The simple past tense will be changed into past perfect tense. Past continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense will remain the same, which means there are no changes. So once again, simple past will be converted into past perfect tense. Past continuous tense will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense will remain the same, which means there are no changes that will happen in these two tenses. And this is with regard to the past tense. So kindly write down these notes, this particular table in your language copy. Now moving on to the next tense, that is future tense. What changes will happen in the future tense? In the future tense, the only thing that you must keep in mind is that there is no change in the tense as you did it for the present tense, which means the present tense will be changed into past tense. Coming to the future tense, the tense will not be changed. The only thing that will change is the word called will be changed into would. That is the only change that will happen when you are converting the future tense from direct into indirect speech. The simple future tense, the will be changed into would. In future continuous tense, again the will be converted into would. Future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense, it is the same, which means the will be changed into would. So these are the three tenses that you must understand. These are the changes that will happen when the reporting verb is in past tense. So we have to go through the present tense, past tense and the future tense. So kindly go through these notes once again. I will make it clear with examples once again in the coming classes. We will take the present tense separately, we'll go through the past tense separately, and we'll understand the future tense separately. That we will be doing in the coming classes. In today's class, just go through that these tables that I have given to you. What changes will happen in the present tense, what changes will happen in the past tense, and what changes will happen in the future tense. So my dear students, study seriously.